Hey, it's Sean and welcome to Novi. I got this beautiful brand new listing coming to the market soon, right in the heart of Metro Detroit, close to all the shopping and dining you could ever imagine. You're gonna wanna check this one out. All right, welcome inside. This beautiful, super open concept Colonial features just over 3,400 square feet. We have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, full finished basement with a bonus in the garage. We're just chilling here in the dining room. That's the accent wall I was talking about. Just a couple housekeeping things. The house was built 2005, but as you can see, super modern finishes, extensive updates and renovations done in 2022 and 2023, including a bunch of things you might not notice in the video, but just to name a few, a lot of fixtures, a lot of your doorknobs, accessories, and handles, so pay attention throughout. We're here now in the wonderful living room. As you can see, we have beautiful, very high vaulted ceilings, fantastic light flow. We have this excellent accent wall, which is complementary to the one in the dining room. We do have some really nice built-in shelves as well. And what else can you ask for here? Welcome to the kitchen. As you can see, we have this massive island, super awesome here in the kitchen. The whole thing is done so pleasantly. We have really high-end appliances. Check out your 6-burner stove. Really good cabinets too, and I like the top openness as well. Very tastefully done in here. And if all that wasn't enough for you, step inside the garage to your own golf simulator. So also in the garage, you can see we have epoxy floors, plenty of room to park 2 cars in here. We do have the EV charger here ready to go, as well as the upgraded outlet there to install another EV charger if you'd like. So also on the first level, we have a nice spacious laundry room, as well as a very nice walk-in pantry. And of course, an excellent powder room, half bath for your guests here. Now we're stepping into our 2nd level primary suite, and we're gonna head into the bathroom here. Really nice bathroom, good size. We have the jetted tub, large shower, love these glass doors, private toilet on that side, and a good linen storage here. And we'll head over to the closet. Very functional, nice shelves and drawers throughout, so you have plenty of room. Maybe you can add some additions if you'd like as well. On this 2nd level, you have this really large landing, really excellent space. In this 2nd bedroom over here, we have a nice walk-in closet with the attic entrance, as well as the princess suite full bathroom inside. So we're here now in bedroom number 3. As you can see, also a good sized room with the closet and just beyond it leading to the Jack and Jill full bathroom. 2 sinks, which is always nice, as well as a tub. It's always good to have 1 tub in one of the bathrooms in the home. Coming back this way, as you can see, another large, good sized bedroom, and take you right back out to the hallway there with another linen closet. We're here now on the finished lower level. So you can see this adds excellent living space, as well as a lot of good storage here behind me. And we're gonna walk this way now into the fully equipped wet bar. This is a really cool feature here. When you open up these drawers, you do have the light built into it. More storage here under the staircase and leading us to the sauna. We have an excellent rec room built out and ready to go. Stepping outside now in the backyard, we have this beautiful 2-tiered patio. Excellent outdoor entertainment space for you and the family to enjoy this Michigan summer. Thank you for touring this gorgeous property with me today. If you have any questions about it and or questions about the community or looking to make a move, please reach out to me today.